Welcome back, everyone. I'm Shortcut Shari, and it's another Tip Tuesday. This week's tip, we're following on a series where we've been planning for a conference that's coming up in June, and this is probably one of my favorite tips that I want to share with you. We've walked through this sort of step by step, but sometimes it's helpful to have Copilot actually write the prompt for you. Here is my prompt to Copilot. Let's use this list of sessions to suggest a daily schedule of sessions for each of our attendees and which ones they should attend to maximize the team coverage of the conference. Can you create a prompt for me that would accomplish this goal? I could sit here all day long and try and figure out a prompt, but why not have Copilot create the prompt for me? Let's see what he comes up with. All right, just as a reminder, we have another tab in our workbook. All the attendees' names, their IT role, and what their focus is at the conference. So Copilot is using this as a reference. Look at what it came up with. Prompt for generating optimized daily conference schedules, and it reiterates my logic. Let's scroll down. Here's the attendees coming from the tab. Here's the schedule. Monday is pre-conferences, so it goes out to the website and looks for the information. Next, it summarized the task that I gave it and provides a little bit more context around it. The output and format. Other considerations. And then tips for using this prompt. How cool is this? If you're not real comfortable with prompting, this is a great option for you. Now, what do I want it to do from here? Let's go ahead and run the prompt now. And Copilot is going to go do its magic. I've been pausing just for the sake of time, but notice that it's walking through the steps in the panel over on the right-hand side. It's analyzing the session data and starting to create the table. Next, it's going to create the schedule summary. Now we've moved on to step 3, where it's going to fix the columns, and then step 4, where it's going to optimize the schedules. And finally, it's done. I asked Copilot to create the prompt for me, and this is what it did. It, from scratch, created all of the information that I need to plan my team and their attendance at the conference. I don't know about you, but I wish I'd known about this years ago. I have attended many conferences and now I speak at them, and it's really hard to go through all of the sessions and figure out where I want to spend my time. This is something that I'm going to be using going forward myself. All right, that's my tip for this week. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. I'll be back next week with another great tip. In the meantime, check out these great events that we have coming up. And until next time, I'm Shortcut Shari, and it's my job to make your job easier.